Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use any kind of application software inside a bluestack or inside a AD player, and how you can use the OBS camera. You can use documents here. You can use any face or any documents here. And then you can use that same virtual camera inside the application, inside the bluestack or any other emulator. So I will explain from A to Z. You have to watch the video very carefully. Okay, this video, the important thing is this video is only for education purposes. Okay, I am giving you this knowledge only for education purposes. Okay, first of all, you need to type some things. Okay, let me show you right here. Wait for a second. Okay, the first thing you need is a emulator bypass. Okay, so emulator bypass can run your application inside the bluestack or inside a emulator. Okay, now what is emulator bypass? Whenever you use emulator bypass to run a software, to run any application inside a bluestack, so it will bypass the detection. Okay, and also what kind of bypass is you can use? Okay, like this emulator bypass for Windows. Also there is a lot of bypass for emulator which you can use inside the emulator. The first bypass is a shell bypass, which can be used in Windows. The second bypass is a panel bypass, exe bypass, script bypass, shell bypass. These all bypass can work inside a window. Okay, another bypass which you can use inside the emulator, which is shell, apk bypass, and panel. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to use a shell bypass. I'm going to explain a shell bypass. First of all, I activate shell bypass and then I'm going to run the application. Okay, like there is a bank. Actually someone sent me bank. That person is from Nepal and he sent me a bank that he want to use a KYC documents from OBS into that bank. First of all, the application have emulator detection issue. The second problem, this is the application. Okay, this is right here. The application first problem in the application is you cannot run this application inside the emulator. So I already bypassed that and I'm running it inside the emulator. Okay, you can see right here it's working perfectly. Okay, so I already bypassed it. So if you need bypass emulator detection for any kind of application, you can just contact me. Okay, now the second important thing is how you can use this, how you can use documents here, and how you can drag, how you can use that same camera inside this application. Because if you use it, they will notify you, they will reject you. Okay, so for that you also need a bypass KYC tools. Okay, so if you need any, you can contact me. Like I already the person already pending some documents here and pending, but I can show you by using scan and pay. If I click here, you can see right here. Okay, you can see the camera. Actually the camera app is working actually perfectly. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, so if you want to run any kind of application, like here, if you see, this is my PC Windows screen, because it's showing right here inside the OBS. Okay, now as you can see, I open OBS and everything is working. I can drag, for example, if I put the documents inside the OBS, okay, I must have to drag it. Okay, like for example, I must have to, you can see everything is working perfectly. So this is how actually you can put documents. I also have KYC tools where you can put high quality HD documents without any issue. I also have a shellcode script which can you don't even need to adjust a document for a camera. They will auto adjust and they will submit. Okay, so in today's video, this is all I want to show you. I hope you guys understand. See you in the next video. Take care. Good night.